Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering why my lighting is so shit and why I look like this, it's because I actually forgot to film an intro to this video, so I'm doing that right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to go from this basic, easy, everyday going to work look into a going out nighttime glam look. I have two looks for you guys, so I'm really excited to show you them. So if you want to know how to go from day to two different night looks, just keep watching. So we're going to start with a bare face because I'm going to show you how I get an everyday going to work type of look using the Tati palette. So first, take concealer. I'm going to go in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer by NYX, and I'm just going to put this under my eye. So normally I don't actually wear makeup when I personally go to work. I work with kids. Kids touch your face, and to me there's no point. I'm going to set using my Hourglass Mineral Veil and just setting. Now taking a super fluffy crease brush, I'm going to go in with the Tati palette and I'm going to take the shade Soothe, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to pop this into the crease. Just to give our eye a little bit of definition. And now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and go in with my mascara. Look how good this mascara is. My eyelashes look so good. No, I got to the bridge of my nose. I'm sure you guys have heard this trick before, but if you get mascara on your lower lash line, upper lash line, wherever it is on your face, wait till it is fully dried before you mess with it. If you try touching it or getting rid of it while it's still wet, you're gonna make a way bigger mess than you want. It's way easier to do it once it's dry, so just wait it out for a little bit. All right, now I've left the mascara on to dry for a little bit. I'm just gonna remove all the extra. You want to be gentle when you're removing the mascara. You don't want to wipe away any of the foundation or concealer or whatever it may be, so be gentle. So that's the first look. This is the everyday to go work look. Now we get to do the really fun part. I'm going to show you guys two different looks to turn this from day to night. First look is going to be a bronze smoky eye. So assuming you go to work for the whole day, you have this look on, end of the night, your coworkers want to go for like drinks, so you whip out your Tati palette and you're gonna go in with the shade Ritual, which is the dark brown shade. We are going to take that shade on a MAC 217 brush, and we're gonna go into Ritual and we're gonna buff that into our crease a little bit more precisely than we originally did with Soothe. So you're basically adding on to the eyeshadow that you already have. Alright, now that you have that color in your crease, we're going to take Ritual again, but instead this time we are going to take the metallic color, which is this one right here. Now you can either use your finger or you can use a brush. I'm going to pack this on with my finger first, and then I'm gonna go in with a brush after. Now I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to pack that on and kind of blend this in a little bit into our crease. We're gonna go back with our 217 and add more of the matte Ritual color. You're gonna go in with a short shader brush like this, and we're gonna start buffing this underneath our lower lash line. Take a black eyeliner. I'm using the Marcel Hypoallergenic Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Black. Now that you have the eyeliner on, you're gonna go back in with that super short shader brush, take some Ritual, and just buff out the liner as well just a little bit. Taking my little pointed crease brush here, I'm actually going to spray it with a little bit of some Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Aura right here in the metallic. And I'm just gonna pop that into my inner corners. So for eyeliner today, instead of using liquid eyeliner, I'm going to use the same pencil we used in our waterline. And I'm just going to smudge this on my top line. And now, taking that short shader brush again, I'm going into the shade Memory, which is this black color right here. And I'm just going to smudge that out a little bit. For lips, I'm gonna go in with my Essence lip liner in the shade Going Steady. So I'm gonna fill that in with a L'Oreal Color Riche in the color All Out Pout. So I completely forgot about bronzer and blush. Like, totally forgot. So I'm gonna go back and do that. I'm gonna go take my Too Faced bronzer and I'm just gonna bronze up my face real fast. There you go, and I'm going to take the color Ethereal by NYX. And for highlight, I'm going to take my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal. Brow bone. And last but not least, setting spray. And there you have it, a day to night glam look, easy bronze, smoky eye. Now we're gonna go on to our second nighttime look. We're gonna do another super easy work day to glam type of look. So going back in with the Tati palette, you're gonna take MAC 217 and we're gonna go in first with Ritual. And we're just gonna buff this into the crease. Now going in with your super fluffy brush, go into the color Soothe, which is the lighter brown shade, and just buff that on top of Ritual. Now we're going to take the Soothe color in the metallic finish and we're just going to put this on our lid with our finger. So similar to what we did with the first look. taking another shader brush, go back into the metallic soothe and just fill in all the spots you couldn't really reach with your finger. Now we're gonna darken up the crease a little bit more. So I'm gonna go in with a pointed crease brush and dipping that into Ritual. I'm going to just buff it out. I'm gonna go in one more time with my super fluffy brush and soothe and blend that seamlessly upwards. Alright, so now you're gonna take your little short shader brush and we're gonna take Ritual again and we are going to buff this underneath our lower lash line. And I'm gonna put same black pencil eyeliner in my waterline. And believe it or not, guys, that is all for the eyes. What makes this look more glamorous is actually the lip color. So we are going to be going in with a very dark, vampy lip color. I'm gonna take a Kylie Jenner lip liner. Wow, that was really hard to say. In the shade Leo, which is this very dark red color. And now for the actual liquid lip in the shade Leo. Sorry about my terrible application, guys. There's nothing more amazing than a very vampy lip. I'm living for this lip color. Before I forget, I need to put on the rest of my face. So, back in with my Too Faced bronzer. I want to darken my lower lash line just a tiny bit more. So I'm going to actually go into the shade Memory, the black shade, and I'm going to buff that very closely to my lower lash line. Now for blush, I think I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill Becca palette. Probably going to mix Pamplemousse and Amaretto. There's something about a dark lip that changes my soul. I'm gonna take the shade Prosecco, which is the gold, and I'm gonna use that as my highlight. And there we have it. Those are our 2 nighttime looks for this daytime to nighttime using the Tati Beauty palette. I really hope you guys liked this tutorial and it helped you guys out. Remember, you can mix and match this look up as much as you want. If you want to throw on some falsies to either look, throw on some falsies. If you want to use this lip look for the previous look, do it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like, comment down below, click that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.